mag mbalariany ma kotelnegi kod jotelo mag riwruogi okwedo chenro ma piny owacho nigo mar rucho oko board matayo aguch hola mar HELB kendo hola ma kamago nywandi agulu achiel gi mamoko. Jopuonjre dwaro mondo mi gibag chenro mag kawo pach jopiny, jokanyo mag sekta mar somo to kod jopuonjre ewi aguch hola mar HELB.
No lie can live forever, and there is a time when silence becomes betrayal. We had the president made an articulation on scrapping off HELB, and he said he would replace it with a fund that is accessible to the poor people. However, the president has not come out to explain the criteria he's going to use to identify these poor people.
What is the threshold of vulnerability? Again, what criterion is the president going to use to identify those who are vulnerable and those who are not vulnerable? So we want inclusivity and we want participation, public participation of this whole issue, and we, the comrades in that particular case, are what we will be termed as the public.
Kwa hivyo hakuna maandamano, watu wasiwe na tashwishi, but tunaenda pale kama wanafunzi ambao wako tayari kutengeneza nchi yao.